Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset on your Elite Atlas Aero. So, if you connect it with the dongle, you can make a soft reset. Because if you use a cable, you don't need to turn on the headphones. So, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that press this power button on your left ear cup. Here we go, we just turn off it, and we can also see it in the application that we have disconnected. And now press power button again to turn on it. Now it should be connecting, yeah, and we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.